Yo.
All right, guys, so we're here with Chris. He's gonna give us a look at what Intel is cooking up in terms of video editing. So, first of all, nice to meet you, Chris.
Nice to meet you too.
What are we looking at here?
So we have this ASUS expert book with our Intel Core Ultra Series 3.
Okay.
And it has our Intel ARC B390 GPU, so the integrated graphics on there. And it's actually connected to a Thunderbolt hub here that's driving this entire system. What we're showing is AI object mask with Adobe Premiere Pro.
Rotoscoping takes a long time and
Absolutely.
very intense. Yeah.
So let me just quickly show you, this is kind of what the final video looks like. There's a lot of masks and a lot of effects going on in this video. So this is just kind of an example.
Playing very smooth.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna go back to our video, and this has nothing on it. So this is just plain. So I'm just going to mask this player and the ball now. Just one click.
Excellent.
And then one click right there.
Wow, that's great.
And then I'm just gonna click that.
Track it back and forth.
Right.
Okay.
So now it's running through the clip and it's masking that player and the ball, and it's all happening locally on our internal graphics here, our ARC B390. It's masking, in our first clip where it's from this angle.
Right.
Then when it moves to the next clip, it is actually still able to find the player
Same
and the
player
ball.
and object.
Okay, so now it's done.
Yeah.
There's like 375 frames in this, like what you were talking about.
Okay.
So if you try to rotoscope all that frame by frame, by doing this, you're saving minutes, hours, and potentially days. How long your video is. Intel has worked with Adobe to optimize this.
Yeah.
And you can do this locally on your Intel Core Ultra
Now,
series.
and that's what I'm really impressed by. This is running on integrated graphics, right? And all this while driving another display. Right.
So I'm doing dual displays here. Right.
How much RAM is on this model?
Yes, it is 32 gigs RAM.
32 gigs of RAM, all happening from there. So what is Intel trying to do with machines like this? Because naturally, video and content creators are a dime a dozen now, just so many coming into the space. And I guess the perception was you needed like a big, beefy workstation computer, but I mean, they're really challenging that notion with these thin and lights, basically, that are doing stuff that, rotoscoping, that's some pretty advanced video editing stuff.
Right, so working with, Adobe, you're able to optimize, we were able to help them optimize the software for our platform. And again, thin and light, if you can just pick it up.
It's barely there, right, exactly.
It's barely warm.
Yep.
This is our X7, so our X7 has our top of line integrated graphics, our 12XC, which is called our Intel ARC B390.
Okay, and it's running this project off internal SSD, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it's running locally off this.
Wow, that's impressive.
Right.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Chris.
Thank you very much,
for the
Chris.
demo. Awesome.